Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. So first of all, launch Instagram app on your mobile device. Then make sure that you're signed in to your account. Now just tap on the plus button at the bottom of your screen and choose multiple photos from your gallery. So I'm gonna choose up to 6 photos here. Then tap on the option of Next at the top right corner of my screen. Now over here at the top right corner, tap on the music icon. Then choose the song you want to add. You can adjust the song as well. Then tap on Done. Then tap on Next at the bottom right. Now over here, if you tap on the option of Share, you can upload this post on your Instagram profile. So let's tap on Share. Now let's wait until the post is being uploaded. Now as the post has been uploaded, you can see the location on top as well as the name of the music on top. You can see the name of the music here, and then that's how simply you can add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.